after all these years of Safari builds being made, Porsche really said, it's our turn. We just listed this 2024 Porsche Dakar Rough-Rides Edition on our Bring a Trailer with only 811 miles, and straight from factory, this thing is pretty insane. In typical Porsche fashion, it sports a flat 6 engine with 473 horsepower, 420 pound-feet of torque, but that's not what makes it special. The Dakar was meant for off-roading. It has all-wheel drive, rear axle steering, and then a PDCC active roll stabilization, making this chassis tuned so well that it will handle anything you throw at it. This is 50 millimeters higher than the standard 911 models, giving you more clearance to be able to go on those off-roading situations. So if you find yourself in a sticky situation, you can use the front and rear lifts to go up an extra 30 millimeters to make sure that you get out of any situation that you find yourself in. There's a couple things that also make this a fully functional rally car, including the front and rear stainless steel protection, robust side skirts with stainless steel protection as well, and these Pirelli all-terrain tires straight from factory. Out of all the features on this car, I would have to say the roof rack is by far my favorite. Coming installed straight from factory, it just gives it such a sleek look that really fits that rally vibe, as well as has these really bright LED lights on the top that shine through all the dust you're going to be kicking up. Now the real question is, could you see yourself ripping this in the dunes? So I'm going to bring a trailer at 911 arm, and this could end up being yours.